It's very simple topic. Okay. So guys, what do you mean by string? It's very simple. String means anything which is present in single quote or double quote is nothing but called as string. Or a sequence of a string is a sequence of characters, right? And string literals in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or else double quotation marks, guys. Okay, so here you can able to see the string concept, guys, which will be present either in single quote or else in double quote, right? So guys, here you can able to see your strings can be created by enclosing the characters inside a single quote or double quote. Okay, so everyone see here, guys. Okay, everyone. So here you can able to see how to create the string. First of all, anything present in single quote or double quote is nothing but acting as a string. So here I have created one string in single quote, which is Python, guys, and I assigned it to S variable. So when I want to print my S, what will I be getting? I'll be getting my string, which is Python. Okay, and later what I wanted to check is I wanted to check the type of my S. What is the type of your S variable? Your type, as you everyone knows, your type function will give you the data type of that variable, right? So when I wanted to check the type of my S, here you can able to see I got the class str, which is string. Okay, tell me one thing, do we have character data type in Python, guys? Do we have character data type in Python? No, right? So we are having only string data type. Even if you wanted to mention the single character, it will be acting as a string only, right? So here next we will see, guys, this time I kept my Python in double quote. Anything, guys, you can keep in double quote or single quote, both will be acting as a string only, right? So here when I wanted to print my S1, you can able to see you got what? Okay, the value which is Python. And when I wanted to print the type of my S1, what I got? Class str. This is what your string is. Here you can able to see, guys, anything given. Okay, okay, Faisal. Okay, Faisal, please tell this to your CR once. Okay. Okay, okay, Faisal. Yeah. So, guys, everyone be focused here. It's, I think, only 20 minutes. Okay. So quickly we'll complete this topic. Fine. Yes, Rajshekhar, you'll get it. But till that, guys, you everyone take a screenshot from this. Now it's online class now. You can easily able to take a screenshot as well. Okay, I'll inform to ma'am about this. But till that, you prepare your notes as well from your end. Okay. Now see here. Anything given as an input is basically considered as a string. You everyone knows now, guys. Whenever we have to take input from user, we are having the function called input function, right? Yes, Priya, you'll get that also. Okay. Yes. So here you can able to see, guys, anything present, or sorry, like whenever you wanted to take input from user, okay, you are having the function called input function base. Okay, so guys, as you everyone knows, the by default data type of your input function is what? String, right? So here I took input from user, I took the input as a Python base. When I wanted to print my S variable, I got the answer Python. Later when I wanted to print the type of my S, what is the data type of my S? It is string, because as you everyone knows, the by default data type of your input function is string, right? Next, guys, we'll see. So guys, here you can able to see if you wanted to access the element in a string using indexing, you can simply able to access. Here I took one string which is Python. So this is 0th location, first location, T is present on second location, H is present on third location. Of value present was T. When I wanted to print my S of second location, the value present was, guys, T. You can check the location here. When I wanted to print my s of -1th location, as you know, negative indexing will start from back. What is present on -1? The value is n, guys. Okay. Okay. Next, I wanted to print s of -4th location. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. And then what is present on -4th location, guys? It is t. And when I wanted to print my s of 6th location, we don't have s of 6th location available. Means we don't have value present on s of 6th location. So what I got the error, guys? I got the error string index out of range. The way we got the error in tuple, the way we got the error in list, it is as same as in string as well, guys. So when I wanted to check the location value which is not present, I got the error which is string index out of range. Is that clear for everyone, guys? Yes. Is that clear, guys? Okay. So now we'll see the next topic from this. So here you can able to see, guys, modifying a string. We'll see, can we able to modify the string or not. See here, I have created one string which is present in double quote, which is Python, guys. Python, I assigned to s variable. What I wanted to change is I wanted to change my s of 0th location value, which is initially it was p with a c. Later when I printed my s, we got the error, guys. String object does not support the item assignment. Okay, see here you can able to see your strings are immutable, guys. You can't able to change the separate value. Okay, you can't able to change the separate value for that. So when I wanted to change my s of 0th location value with the c, I got the error string object does not support the item assignment. Okay, see. So here you can able to see strings are immutable, hence elements of a string cannot be changed once it has been assigned. Once you assign, guys, you can't able to change that items is nothing but the separate alphabet they are talking, guys. Separate alphabet they are talking. Now the same thing, but here you can able to see I have declared my s equal to Python. Later I wanted to change my s with a value program. When I printed my s, changing happened. Now again you will be having confusion, ma'am. Just now you said, ma'am, your strings are immutable. Guys, immutable or mutable stands for you have to change the single item present in list, tuple, set, dictionary, string, whatever is it. Mutable means you can able to do the separate item changes. Immutable means you can't able to do the separate item changes. It doesn't means you can't able to replace the value. Okay, so please don't be confused. Okay, here you can't able to do the separate item assignment, but if you wanted to reassign your s variable which was initially Python with a program, you can. So when you printed your s, you got the answer which is program. Is that clear for everyone? What is the meaning of immutable again? You can't able to change the separate items, guys, separate words, guys, but you can able to reassign one whole word with another, but no separate item no separate item changes, no separate item deletion. Okay, next, here you can able to see delete a string. One more time you will understand, guys. See, we can directly delete a string using the del keyword. If you wanted to delete your s string, which is whole Python word, you can. Okay, after deletion, as you know, you will be getting error which is name s is not defined. I gave you already example. If a person is already died, we can't able to see that person in real. Same, guys. Here, after deletion of your whole list, sorry, whole string which is Python, when you wanted to print that s, you will be getting error name s is not defined. This is another part, guys. Now you will better understand about the immutable string over here. I wanted to delete my s of 0th location, which is p. I already told you, mutable and immutable stands for not changing the single item or else changing the single item as per the mutable or immutable rules. Okay, so when I wanted to delete my s of 0th location value, which is p, okay, this is not possible. Later when you print it, you got the error string object doesn't support the item deletion. You can't able to modify the separate single alphabet. You can't able to delete a separate single alphabet. But if you wanted to delete your whole string, possible. If you wanted to modify or reassign your whole string, possible. Is that clear for everyone, guys? Here you can note down one more point. Delete a string using the indexing, using the location is not possible. Is that clear? Remaining students? Saket, yes ma'am. What about remaining? Any difficulty guys? Any doubt? Please ask me, no issue. I'll repeat, not at all an issue. Okay, clear, very good. Now we'll see our next slide. So this is called as data encryption, guys. You know about data encryption? What do you mean by data encryption? Data encryption means, you know, for military purpose, they used to have some secret symbols and all, so that we can encrypt the data properly, like security. Yes, very perfect word called security. Very good, Karthik. So it's like whatever the data we are sending, that should be secret. We can't able to enemies and all, while especially it is working, you can say dot and hashes, yes, you can say, or special symbols. Especially it is working like whenever soldiers are working on the borders and all. So at that time also it is like data encryption is very important over there. So this is your data encryption, guys. You can consider ASCII values will come, some special characters will come, which will help you to encrypt your data. So guys, now we are going to learn about the string methods and functions. Okay. Yes, you can say code language as well. Very good, Bharat. Okay. So guys, everyone be focus here. So here your first method, guys. See one more thing, guys. In C language, when I wanted to use the different library, guys, string reverse, string length, string upper, string lower, we used to add one library, string.h, hash include. Okay, string.h was the library. Here also we are having some special methods and function available, guys, in Python. If you wanted to use that special method or function, you have to import the string library, guys. What you have to import is, you have to import the string library. Okay, so here I'm importing my string library, guys. Import string. Okay, here I'm importing my string library, guys. Import string. Import, like whenever you wanted to add any special library, you are having the word in Python called import, and here the name of my library is string. Okay, now everyone be focus here. See, your first is, if I wanted to print my string dot ASCII underscore letters, you will be getting all the capital letter with the small letters in concatenation. String dot ASCII underscore letters. Letters means, guys, all letters will come in concatenation. Next, string for lowercase. Lowercase means, guys, all concatenation of lowercase alphabet. Uppercase means all the concatenation of uppercase alphabet or a capital letter. And string dot punctuation means all the concatenation of punctuation marks or a symbol. These are the different string method. Is that clear for you all? Please let me know. String dot ASCII underscore letter means the concatenation of all small as well as capital letter. Okay. Next, string dot ASCII underscore lowercase means all small letters. Uppercase means all capital letter concatenation, and punctuation means all symbols. Is that clear for everyone? Bharat Kumar, yes ma'am. Remaining student, please let me know. Very simple. You have to simply add one library, which is import string. String is the name of your library, guys. From which, if you wanted to print string dot ASCII underscore letter, you will be getting all letter in concatenation. For lowercase, all lowercase. For uppercase, all uppercase. For punctuation, all the symbols. Simply you have to add these methods. That's it. Nothing else you have to do. Next, we'll see some more methods, guys. Here you can able to see some more methods, guys. Here I added my library string. From that I wanted to print string dot digits. If you wanted to print the digit, guys, you will be getting all the digit like a decimal. You can consider from 0 to 9. If you wanted to print hexadigit, you will be getting all the hexadecimal digit. Hex means, guys, 16. So from 0 to 16. 16 means, guys, as you everyone knows, in binary language, we will consider it is from 0 to F. So all the hex digit means total 16 digit. 0 to 15 means total 16. String dot oct digit means octal, guys. 0 to 7 means total 8 digit. So you have to add the library which is string. When you will print string dot digit, all decimal value, hex digit, all the hexadecimal value, oct digit, all the octal values. Is that clear for you all? Yes, everyone? Is that clear, guys? Okay. Yes. So please stay as it is, guys, just for 10 minutes. I can understand you all are tired, but only 10 minutes. That's it. Okay. Next here, we'll see some more functions or some more methods, guys. So here you are having string dot ends with. String dot ends with means, guys, in place of string, guys, you have to keep your string. So here I kept my string, which is hello. Now I'm applying using dot operator ends with function. You have to check whatever the value or whatever the string you are passing, whatever the character you are passing, that string is ends with that character or not. If it is, then your answer will be true. Now I wanted to check in hello, hello ends with O or not. Condition true or false, guys? Hello is ending with O. Condition true or false? Yes. Hello is ending with O now. So condition will become true. Okay, one more thing. Yamini dot ends with H. Condition true or false? Condition false. Okay. Yamini dot ends with I. Condition true or false? Condition true, right? Now here we'll see one more thing. Starts with. Now this time we'll check from which letter it is starting. Whatever the letter we are passing, it is that string is starting with that letter or not. Starts with H. Hello starts with H. Condition true or false, guys? Hello starts with H. Condition true. Okay. VJIT starts with V. Condition true or false? VJIT starts with J. Condition true or false? Okay. Now here we are having one more string function available, which is called as replace. We are replacing. We are not changing exactly. We are simply replacing. Okay. And we are having the separate replace method available, guys. Okay. So hello dot replace of H with L. You are replacing simply your H with L. So what you got the answer? See, initially it is HE double LLO. You are replacing your H with a T. So what will be the answer? HE double TTO. Initially it was hello. Now we replace simple L with T. So what answer came? Heto. HE double TTO. So these are some more methods. First is ends with. Next is starts with. It will give you only true or false value, guys. And next we are having replace method. One more thing. We can't able to change the items present in the string using indexing. But we are having one method available which is called as replace. You can replace one value with another. Is that clear for you all? Is that clear, guys? Next we are having, guys, string dot is a digit. This time we are checking whatever the string we are passing, that string is digit or not. Whatever you are passing, that string is a digit or not. So here 100, even it is present in string, we are checking whatever present in that string, it is specialized, guys. Okay, so it returns a true if all characters in the strings are digit, guys. Otherwise it will be false. If you are putting here VJIT in single quote, is digit function will become false, guys. So here you are applying the operation on string only, but using is digit, you are checking whatever present inside of the single quote, which is acting as a string, it is digit or not. Yes, it is digit. So condition will become true. Next, is alpha. Here we are checking that alphabet. Okay, here we are checking whatever present in single quote, that is alphabet or not. See, returns a true if all character in the strings are alphabet. Otherwise, false. Next, is a decimal. Here we have to check the value is decimal or not. Returns a true if all characters in a strings are decimal. Is that clear for you all, guys? Any doubt? Any difficulty? Okay, simple method. Simply you have to apply that. Is digit means in string digit is present or not. Is alpha means in string alphabet is present or not. Is decimal means the value is decimal or not. That's it. Okay, and it will always give you true or false value, guys. Fine. Next we'll see. Next we will see some more, guys. First you are having string is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric, guys, see, it will return the true if all the characters in the given string is alphanumeric. See, guys, I'll tell you one new thing about this. In alphanumeric, guys, you can separately check the alphabet, you can separately check the integer value, answer will become true only. You have to check this, okay? But I'm telling you directly, you can sing if you wanted to check this also, no? Single quote AB, alphanumeric will become true, okay? See, alphanumeric means alphabet and numeric value. For this condition, it will be true. But if you wanted to check simple alphabet also, then also alphanumeric will consider as alphabet. And if you wanted to check number also, then also for alphanumeric, it will become true, guys. Separately, even if you wanted to check for alphanumeric, it will become true, guys. Okay. So for combination also, it will become true. For separate also, it will become true. For this also, it will become true. Means alphanumeric means for combination of alphabet and numeric, it will become true. Separate alphabet also, it will become true. Separate integer also, it will become true. Okay. This is what your alphanumeric will work. Now here I'm having the string hello world. What I wanted to do is I wanted to check this hello world is in title case or not. First of all, guys, what do you mean by title case? Title case means every word of first letter should be capital. Here from hello, H is capital, from world, W is capital. I wanted to check hello world is title case or not. Yes, it is. So the answer is true. Okay. Tell me in single quote, capital V small j I T dot is title. Condition true or false? Yes. In single quote, capital V small j I T. Condition true or false for its title? Condition will become true. Is that clear for everyone? Yes. Okay. Means every word of first letter should be capital. That's what called as is a title. And then only this condition will become true. Okay. Okay. Okay, Krishna, repeat once again. Krishna, see, title case means what? If every word, I am talking about word. Every word of first letter is capital, it is called as is title. See, if you are applying is title case on this hello world, is title case means what? Every word of first letter should be capital. Okay, so if you are applying the is title case, you are checking hello world is title case or not. Yes, it is. Title case means every word of first letter should be capital. Remaining will be small. So yes, it is in title case. So what I got the answer? Answer is true. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Okay. So, okay, guys. So we'll stop here only. Remaining methods and function will continue tomorrow. Please, guys, join on time so that we'll start as soon as possible. So till this, whatever we learned, everyone understood? Any difficulty till this? Yes. Any difficulty, guys? No? Everything clear? Okay, very good, guys. That's great.